work less and earn more. Yeah. So, actually, itong concept na to is something na everyone should desire in their lifetime. Okay? So, ito yung tipo na konting effort, pero you are earning more. Alright? So, hindi ko sinasabing katamaran to. Okay? What I'm trying to say is, in the process, you are working less. Okay? But you are earning more. Alright? But in the first phase of this, or first stage, you are working more, right? So, yun yung principle niyan. So, hindi siya absolute. From the very start, na you are working less. Walang ganong concept. I don't know kung may mga ganong experience, yung iba nating entrepreneur, ibang mga kaibigan natin, but based from the formula na nakikita natin, or I'm using, okay? So, sa first part or first stage ng buhay natin, we are working, okay, more, right? So, before we work less, right? So, ano ba yun? Paano ba yun, Doc D? Ano ba yung pwede kong gawin na kikita ako ng marami pero konti na lang input ko? Okay, so, right now, we're experiencing that in some cases, in some of the sources of income natin, okay? So, simulan natin. Number one, create a semi-passive income. Yeah. So, yun yung you are working less but you are earning more. Like, in my case, my YouTube channel. So, I'm working less. Like, ngayon, pero nung nagsisimula ako, it's not like that, mga delivery. So, talagang I work so hard sa YouTube natin. I devoted, for the first few months ng YouTube channel natin, nagalat ako ng 5 hours a day just to complete it, diba? So, just to upload different videos, right? So, semi-passive income. So, mag-create tayo ng semi-passive income, okay? So, in the YouTube channel, so ngayon, konti na lang ang effort natin. I mean, kasi established na siya, di ba? So, I'm just working, ngayon, siguro 1 hour na tayo ngayon bago tayo pumasok, eh. Naka-second video natin, nag-upload tayo, nag-edit, naglagay ng thumbnail and title. So, mamayang gabi ulit, another 1 hour. So, 2 hours na lang a day yung... But, I'm earning more. This is actually the biggest source of my income. Not my full-time job. Not the speaking engagement, not the coaching, but my YouTube channel. It's giving me more money. Like, ngayon, I check for this month, kung gaano sa kalaki. This is the highest dollar na makukuha natin this April. Right? So, try to think of that something na konti na lang yung effort mo, then kikita ka ng malaki. Diba? Pwede rin yung YouTube channel, diba? So, pwede ka rin magkaroon ng YouTube channel. My assistant, my technical assistant is willing to coach you. Message mo ako, 0939-525-4311. Iko-connect kita sa kanya or sa kanyang FB page. So, kayong dalawang mag-usap how to paano kanya turuan na magkaroon ng isang YouTube channel so that you can also have your own semi-passive income. Okay? Why semi-passive income? Kasi nag-work ka rin naman eh. Hindi siya to absolute na passive income. Like, I'm working 2 hours a day. Diba? For this. Okay? So, yung passive income kasi, yung sinasabi na iba, wala ka na talagang gagawin, diba? Pero to, meron ka pang ginagawa. But you are working less, you are earning more. Right? Second, I become a sales agent. You are working less, earning more. Ano ba yung mga sales agent? Ito kagabi napanood ko lang sa isang YouTube channel. Meron doong isang YouTuber na isa sa mga predictions niya is na malaki ang kita in the near future is being salesperson. Okay? Because sa sales, unlimited ang pwede mong kitain at wala masyadong effort, right? Mag-post ka lang sa FB mo, your FB page, FB account, IG, diba? Then, just try to have initial meeting sa mga different industries, diba? Nagbebenta, so pwede silang, you sell their products, so sales agent ka, so anytime may bibili, may kukontak sa'yo, diba? So it's something na will give you big profit. Alright? Okay, so ano pa? Like e-course commerce. Yan, malapit na kasi mag-end ang ating lobat na tayo. E-courses, so pwede din yan. Magkaroon ng e-courses. Business partnership, di ba? Like ako, may ka-partner ako sa Overrun, nagbigay lang ako ng pera. Kagabi, dumaan lang ako. 1 hour a day, it's enough, di ba? So, at least I'm earning, di ba? So, yun yung mga pwede nating gawin, Givers, na business partnership, e-courses, YouTube channel, yan, any iba pa. So, iba pang pwedeng gawin on how to work less but earn more. Okay, so kung paano, message mo ako, I can be your coach. 0939-5254-311. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yan, let's go, let's go.